Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own container pond. I'm really excited to tell you that I've paired up with Lincolnshire Pond Plants. I've designed 3 container ponds that you can purchase from my website. It will include the pond, the compost, and all of the plants as well, delivered straight to your doorstep if you live in the UK. I have an edible pond. I also have a pollinator friendly pond. I also have a sensory scented pond. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own pollinator pond using my very own Stratus Pond pack. So let's get out there. First step is to add your compost to the basket. I've left a little bit there in reserve. Now we need to add in our plants. First up we have the Hootiana Chameleon, and just look at her leaves. We then have the Equisetum Hemale, and I think I'm going to have that just in the middle there. And this here is a giant marsh marigold, and it also comes with a dwarf lily. So I'm going to pop that in around this side. Then place an old container at the bottom, and then place your basket on top. That should help to keep it nice and level, and because these are marginal plants, they can't be submerged too far underwater, so that should be just about the right height. And if you have some gravel, you can add some gravel and stones to the top to stop the soil from spreading. I will actually have some gravel and soil on my Amazon shop, and I will leave a link down below to my Amazon shop. Now it's time to add some water. Also come with the salvinias, and as you can see, the root systems are so long, they are fantastic at cleaning the water. Now I'm going to leave this pond to settle, and I'm going to come back in about a week's time and I'll show you just how the pond is progressing. A week on, and let's have a look and see how the pond has settled. As you can see, it's all upright now. It's doing just fine, and the lily leaves are beginning to unfurl. At the end of the balcony I also have my edible pond, so let me show you that. Now over here I have this Javinica flamenco, and then I have some sorrel and watercress nasturtium. Now I've got some tricks up my sleeve for the watercress nasturtium, so look out for that video coming later on. But also in this pond I have some green taro. Green taro is an elephant ear, and that's going to be in the middle of the pond, and in a couple of months time it will shoot out of the basket and be around about this tall and will be the central feature of the edible pond. With taro you can eat the root, but you can also eat the leaves. You can saute them just like you would spinach. All of these marginal plants here will really bush out all the way around the perimeter of the pond, and then we'll have the beautiful statement piece of the taro. Lastly, we then have my main pond. That is the fish pond. So this hollyhock is finally doing its thing after just sitting there nonchalantly for around about 3 years. But over here we can see we've got some frog bits. We have a water hawthorn that is going to produce some beautiful white flowers, and they're scented as well. We also have the grass, and just beginning to emerge are the lily pads. Now it was that very pond that inspired the third and final of my pond designs. In the Nimbus Pond Pack, you get a water hawthorn and, of course, one of my favourite plants, a colocasia black coral, which will sit in the pond just like this. We have a special guest in today's video, and it's my mum. She's ordered a Nimbus pond, so let's take a look and see how she gets on creating her very own unique pond.
So this is the size. That is a carrot. This is so pretty.
The Nimbus pond comes with an ornamental grass, a water hawthorn.
Actually, this is really nice.
A beautiful scented Apache's beard, and, of course, the colocasia black coral. It also comes with some frog bits, which are a nice floating plant that will multiply throughout summer. After the unboxing, Mum got started straight away on her pond. She also added in some gravel and it just looks fantastic. After adding in a little bit of water, it's time to see her finished result. How cute is Mum's pond? Can we all say a massive well done to my mum? Imagine in summer when the water hawthorns are flowering and the colocasia is rising up out of the pond. It will look fabulous. I'm really excited to be transforming my pond into a Nimbus pond. I'm really looking forward to the scents and the smells and the perfumes. As soon as I walk out onto the balcony, I'm going to get a beautiful perfume scent from the pond, from the water hawthorn and from the Californicum. Now, if you already have a container, you can purchase the packs from my website without a barrel pond. So there are 3 options. Hopefully one of them will take your fancy. So if you are in the UK, head over to my website. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick up your very own Cloud Gardening UK container pond. Hopefully I will see you all again very, very soon. Bye! Now, you're probably thinking, girl, what are you doing at an Air Force base? Well, let me tell you, I'm going to take you behind the scenes at Lincolnshire Pond Plants and show you just what kind of hard work goes into creating an aquatic pond nursery. So make sure you're following so you don't miss that video. See you again soon. Bye!